Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we unravel the world of gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of precision with the top 5 best bench multimeters of 2023. If you're serious about electronics, these devices are your trusted companions. We'll explore their features, accuracy, and versatility to help you make the right choice. Links to all the featured bench multimeters can be found in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell for more tech-tastic reviews. Let's uncover the top 5 best bench multimeters of 2023. Starting at number 5, O1XDM 1041 Bench Digital Multimeter. The O1XDM 1041 is a top-tier bench digital multimeter designed for precision and efficiency. Its 3.5-inch TFT LCD screen with backlight ensures a clear and precise display, even in low-light conditions. With 55,000 counts and DC voltage accuracy up to 0.05%, it guarantees accurate measurements. One of its standout features is its rapid measurement capability, delivering up to 65 readings per second. The user-friendly interface presents results in a table format, simplifying data access, storage, and management. The O1XDM 1041 offers data recording functions, including both manual and automatic recording, with the ability to store up to 1,000 data points. It supports temperature measurements when used with a K-type temperature probe, not included, and features a replaceable fuse for safety and convenience. With its wide range of measurement functions, including DC and AC voltage and current, frequency, resistance, capacitance, true RMS, diode testing, continuity testing, and temperature, the O1XDM 1041 is a comprehensive choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. At number 4, VISI VC8145 Digital Bench Top Multimeter. The VISI VC8145 Digital Bench Top Multimeter is a powerhouse of functionality. With a large, high-contrast LCD display and white backlight, it ensures that readings are easily visible, even in low-light conditions. This multimeter supports an impressive 50 different measuring functions, covering a wide range of parameters, including DC and AC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance, temperature, and more. It even has a frequency measurement capability that can reach up to 80 mHz. What makes the VISI VC8145 stand out is its extensive list of features, including a standard function generator with 18 frequency options and various synchronous measuring modes. It supports data recording, peak data hold, dynamic recording, and relative measuring, among other functions. Professionals who require a versatile multimeter with advanced features will find the VISI VC8145 to be an invaluable tool in their work. At number 3, UT803 Digital Bench Multimeters. The UT803 is a reliable bench-type digital multimeter designed for professional use across multiple industries. It offers a 5999 count auto-range feature and true RMS accuracy, ensuring accurate measurements even in challenging conditions. This multimeter is equipped with a full-function display and full-range overload protection, making it suitable for applications in smelting, electronics, telecommunications, manufacturing, petroleum, national defense, electric power, and chemical industries. It's also a crucial tool for laboratories in colleges and universities. Its robust exterior guarantees durability in demanding environments, making the UT803 a trusted choice for professionals seeking precise measurements and versatility. At number 2, Genzyme VC8246B Desktop Digital Multimeter. The Genzyme VC8246B is a powerhouse of a desktop digital multimeter. It offers impressive accuracy with a DC voltage accuracy of 0.025%, making it suitable for demanding electrical measurements. What's notable about this multimeter is its measurement speed, displaying readings 20 times per second in fast mode and 5 times per second in slow mode. The VFD dual display is clear and easy to read, and it provides readings for various parameters. With a broad measurement bandwidth of 20 Hz to 1 kHz, it's suitable for a wide range of applications. Plus, it supports both manual and automatic range measurement, allowing you to tailor it to your specific needs. This multimeter is perfect for professionals and enthusiasts who require high precision and a variety of measurement functions. At number 1, Aneng N999S Desktop Voice Multimeter. The Aneng N999S is a versatile desktop multimeter with some interesting features. First, it's powered by a lithium battery, making it portable and eliminating the need for constant battery replacements. The true RNS capability ensures accurate readings, and the 19,999 counts LCD display is clear and easy to read. What sets this multimeter apart is its additional functions. It boasts a clock and alarm clock, which can be handy for time-sensitive measurements. Moreover, it has Bluetooth capabilities for playing music, adding a touch of entertainment to your workspace. The temperature display is another useful feature for various applications. In terms of usability, the adjustable backlight brightness enhances visibility, and the device is relatively lightweight and portable. It's suitable for hobbyists, electronics enthusiasts, and even professionals who want a multimeter with extra features.